Welcome all. Many people asked me that how to record PPT and how to create video just from PowerPoint presentation slides, and that is what I'm going to show you. There are two ways. Right now I told you that just hit a record button on your open broadcast software and start recording. You just when you are in PPT, just click on like F5, that will start your presentation, and keep talking, and everything will be recorded in OBS, broadcast software, and you can then stop recording once your PowerPoint presentation is done. Just go to OBS again, stop recording, and this way you can create your video of the PPT, PowerPoint presentation. So that is one way. I'm going to show you another way also. So right now, since it is already going on OBS, there is another way. Open your PowerPoint presentation, and in PowerPoint presentation, there is one tab called slideshow. Just click on that slideshow. It's not, usually we are in home, and this is how we interact. But click on slideshow, and then you can see that record slideshow is another button there. Just click on record from beginning or record from current slide, whatever you want. I usually do from beginning, so I'll click on record from beginning. Now you can see, because OBS is already using camera, that's why it's not seen. Otherwise you can turn on camera in the PPT itself by just hitting that one button. Now this is the another method or another way of doing it. You just hit this red button called record and start showing your PPT as you normally do, and it will record your entire video while presenting and you are speaking. You can have this microphone and camera also included in the PPT, and this is the best way of recording your PPT and creating its video in the simplest way. There were some questions in the last live interaction session that how to use pen tool. Now if you go just by this method, I'm just cancelling it once again to show you. Just come to slideshow, record slideshow from the beginning, and automatically at the bottom you can see there are lot many options. The first thing is pen tool, highlighter tool, and there are colors of the highlighter. Microphone and camera I just talked about. So just click on pen tool, and if you want to check something like show something, explain something, and while explaining you want to show your students that this is done, this is not done, whatever it is, or if you want to circle something, if you want to highlight something, so this is the pen tool which can be used. There is another which is called highlighter tool, and with the help of highlighter tool you can just highlight a text like this, or maybe it's from another color, that's why it's okay. Let me select another color and it will highlight. Since it is black on black, it's going to mess it up. Let me select another color, and this way you can highlight some text, and once it is done, just click on erase button, or if you want to just get rid of all the mess that you made, you can do that by just using this erase button. You can again mess up with everything, and if you just observe here, if you do something like this on while demonstrating, click on erase tool, and you don't need to like erase everything. Just on a single part like this, if this is this much mess is created while doing it, and if you take erase tool just in the corner somewhere, everything will be erased. So this is the simplest way. Just hit record button and start speaking, start presenting, and your PPT will be converted into video. Now this video you can upload into YouTube. This is the second method I told you. There are several other methods also, but I think these two are the simplest, and this is more than sufficient. And I hope this little demonstration was helpful, and see you in the next bonus lesson.